Hello everyone, welcome to another Booking.com tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you where can I buy Booking.com gift cards. So if you want to buy gift cards, well, you can buy them in many different spots and stores. But as you can see right here, if you go to Booking.com or secure.booking.com/gift card, we will see that we can actually go here and create an account and redeem our gift card. So if you already have a gift card, you can redeem it right here. But as you can see here, we actually have the question and the answer to the video. So basically, as we're not selling gift cards online, they're only available for purchase in retail stores. Due to limited availability, you can buy gift cards only while stocks last. So that basically means that you can buy gift cards in stores like Walmart and bigger stores like that, or like Costco, because you won't be able to buy them online. Now, I searched for this on Amazon. You cannot buy them on Amazon. However, you might be able to find some resellers that are reselling gift cards on eBay. But that's pretty much it. That is basically the answer to your question, where can I buy a Booking.com gift cards? They actually are in Walmart's, most of the time, or retail stores most of the time, where you can actually go and purchase them. But yeah, you cannot actually go and purchase them right here online, because it's actually, due to limited availability, you can only buy them in retail stores. So hopefully this video helps you out, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.